In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Internet Explorer compatibility mode in Microsoft Edge. This feature is especially useful for those who still need access to certain legacy sites that don't function well in modern browsers. By enabling IE mode in Edge, you can bridge the gap between old and new web technologies. Let's dive into the process and explore each step together. First, you might be wondering, what is IE mode? Simply put, IE mode in Microsoft Edge allows you to open web pages using the Internet Explorer 11 rendering engine directly within the Edge browser. This is particularly critical for accessing older internal business applications or government and corporate websites that might not work properly in contemporary browsers. Now let's get started by opening your Microsoft Edge browser. Head over to the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Once in the Settings menu, look for the option titled Default Browser on the left-hand side. Click on it to enter the default browser settings. In this section, you'll find an option that says, Let Internet Explorer open sites in Microsoft Edge. Here you should select the option Always, which is recommended to ensure a seamless experience while opening older sites. Next, there's another setting titled Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. Make sure this is set to allow. This will enable sites to be expressly reloaded in IE mode whenever needed. After making these changes, you will need to restart your browser for the settings to take effect. So go ahead and click the restart button when prompted. Once Edge restarts, you're ready to navigate to the specific website you want to open using IE mode. Visit the desired website and again click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Edge. This time look for the option Reload in Internet Explorer mode and select it. As soon as you do this, the page will reload using the Internet Explorer engine. You'll recognize this by seeing the Internet Explorer logo appear in the address bar. Now let's discuss an optional but useful feature if you frequently visit this site. After reloading the site in Internet Explorer mode, you can toggle on the option Open this page in Internet Explorer mode next time. This ensures that Edge will remember to open this specific site in IE mode for the next 30 days. Once you've done that, click Done. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have effectively set up Internet Explorer compatibility mode in Microsoft Edge. This not only enhances your browsing experience by integrating older websites, but also ensures you can work efficiently without barriers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.